Hello everybody, it's Melissa back again. I'm back with a retail baseball box. I got one box of 2013 Topps Chrome. And this comes with 7 packs plus 1 purple refractor pack. So looking on 32 cards in this blaster. These are pretty hard to find. I think you find them for like $25, $30 on eBay. I did find this on Amazon for $18 shipped about a month ago. So let's check it out, see if we can get some nice color refractors. There's the purple pack. We'll save that for last. Alright, pack 1, 7 pack plus purple refractor pack. This is the purple refractor pack, I think, unless they're all purples. They have hot boxes. Ooh, I think I got a hot box. How cool is that? Looks like every pack is purple. Got a Profar purple refractor. Rookie card, Wheeler, Matt Latos, X-Fractor, and Jackie Bradley Jr. rookie, purple. Alright, fun. And John Lester, David Freese die cut, Mike Alt, rookie card, and Beltre, purple refractor. Hot box, I forgot about hot boxes. Alan Craig, David Ortiz, just a Matt Cain refractor. It's not numbered. And Dominic Brown. Gonna get Machado, Arenado, that'd be cool. Feliz. Matt Harvey, die cut. Napoli. And Casey Kelly. Sean Doolittle. Freeman, Ricky Weeks, and Tara. We got a J. Bruce. Carlos Gonzalez. Silver's refractor, and Euclid. Alright, 2 more packs. Freddie Freeman, Perez rookie X-Fractor, Donald Lutz, and a Puig rookie purple. Nice. One of the better rookies in this box. Alright, last pack. Rookie purple, Chew purple, Barnes rookie, and Adam Dunn. So that's it. Pretty fun break if you get all purple refractors. You can't go too wrong. A few X-Fractors in there, a couple die cuts. That's it for this break of 2013 Topps Chrome retail. We'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.